आज हम करेंगे चैप्टर 10th द अदर साइड ऑफ जीरो। द अदर साइड ऑफ जीरो। एज द चैप्टर नेम सजेस्ट, और जैसे चैप्टर का नाम है द अदर साइड ऑफ जीरो, मीन्स दिस इज जीरो एट द सेंटर। एक ये साइड हो गई राइट हैंड साइड, एंड दिस इज लेफ्ट हैंड साइड। चैप्टर का क्या नाम क्या है? द अदर साइड ऑफ जीरो, मीन्स वन साइड ऑफ जीरो we know and other side of the zero we will get to know in this chapter. In earlier classes we have studied this 1 2 3 4 5 6 all the numbers. What we called these numbers? We called natural numbers. If we add 0 in the natural numbers, that becomes whole numbers. That becomes whole numbers. Then we have learned about representing these numbers on a number line. Representing these numbers on number line. Other than this, we have seen that this number line, every number is have 5 parts in between. We have seen that here we represented, here we represented numbers such as 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 4 by 5. These we called fractions. These we called fractional numbers. Now in this chapter we will learn, or we will see whether number exists before जीरो। मीन्स अभी तक जीरो से हमने राइट हैंड साइड में 1 2 3 4 5 6 हमने नंबर लाइन पे देखा है, तो क्या जीरो से अदर साइड में दिस साइड वेदर नंबर एग्जिस्ट, दैट वी विल सी इन दिस चैप्टर। चैप्टर पे रीड करने से पहले, चैप्टर में रीड करने से पहले फर्स्ट वी विल सी आवर रियल लाइफ। फर्स्ट वी विल सी आवर रियल लाइफ। हमारी जो असल ज़िंदगी है उसमें हमें क्या लगता है कि जीरो से पहले कोई नंबर एग्जिस्ट करता है या नहीं करता है। इन आवर रियल लाइफ वेदर नंबर्स बिलो द जीरो और एग्जिस्ट और नॉट, वी फर्स्ट वी विल ट्राई टू गेट एक्सपीरियंस फ्रॉम आवर लाइफ। इफ temperature is there below 0 degree Celsius, we all know that at 0 degree Celsius क्या होता है? आइस बन जाता है, वाटर, बर्फ जम जाती है। क्या 0 डिग्री से नीचे भी टेम्परेचर होता है? यस, we have seen, might be news that there are less than minus के 5 degree temperature in Jammu and Kashmir. We all must have seen in the news. Yes. Then measurement of depth of sea, canal or wall. मीन्स अगर समुद्र कितना गहरा है, व्हाट इज द डेप्थ ऑफ द सी, कोई भी नदी है, नहर है, कैनाल है, उसकी गहराई कितनी है, दैट हाउ वी गेट टू नो इफ द नंबर बिलो द जीरो इज डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट. नेक्स्ट, फ्लोर्स below the ground. We must have seen that in cities or there are large number of buildings, high floors, there is some floors below the ground also. मीन्स हमने बड़े बड़े शहरों में देखा होगा कि बड़ी बड़ी बिल्डिंगों में ज़मीन के अंदर भी कमरे बने होते हैं, रूम्स बने होते हैं, फ्लोर्स बने होते हैं. तो हम उनको कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, इसलिए वहाँ से भी हम अंदाज़ा लगा सकते हैं कि नंबर्स एग्जिस्ट्स बिलो और अदर साइड ऑफ ज़ीरो. क्वेश्चन, figure it out. Can there be a number less than 0? From our experience, what we have seen till now, yes, there be a number below the 0. How we can say that? Next है Bela's building of fun. Bela's building of fun. Now we are able to see this picture, where in this picture we have seen first floor is food court. First floor is food court. Second floor is art center. First floor below the ground is toys center, and second floor below the ground is cars. फर्स्ट फ्लोर को हम कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, एंड वी माइट हैव सीन लिफ्ट ऑल्सो इन दिस बिल्डिंग. लिफ्ट, बाय लिफ्ट वी गोज अप and we goes down. In lift there is two buttons, one is plus, one is minus. When we press plus, we goes up. When we press minus, we goes down. Plus minus, first floor plus 1, second floor plus 2, third floor plus 3, fourth floor plus 4. Ground floor is called 0. Now downward below the ground floor, -1, first floor below ground floor, -2, second floor below the ground floor, -3, third floor down. This is continue if we suppose there are large number of floors. If there are large number of floors, means every positive number has inverse of that numbers. मीन्स प्लस का 1 है तो माइनस का 1 भी है, प्लस का 2 है तो माइनस का 2 भी है, प्लस का 3 है तो माइनस का 3 भी है, प्लस का 10 है तो माइनस का 10 भी है. सो +1, +2, +3, these plus sign numbers are called positive numbers. -1, -2, -3, -4 dash. Minus sign numbers are called negative numbers. And -1, -2, -3 dash 0, 1, 2, 3 dash means negative numbers. Positive numbers including 0 is called integers. Is called integers. मीन्स इंटीजर क्या है? सारे माइनस के नंबर्स, प्लस के नंबर्स एंड 0, इन सभी को मिला दें तो क्या बन जाता है? इंटीजर्स. देन है यूज ऑफ इंटीजर्स इन आवर डे टू डे लाइफ. इंटीजर्स का हमारा डे टू डे लाइफ में कहाँ प्रयोग होता है? मीन्स we have made a transaction for purchasing a book. Means we have taken some money from our home and we purchased. Suppose we have taken 100 rupees from our home and we made 60 rupees. We buy a notebook. So what we left with 40 rupees. This is a use of our daily life where we use transaction or where integers helps in our daily life. Means 100 rupees integer, 60 we spent integer, left with 40, that is integer. Or when we deposit or withdraw money from बैंक. मीन्स अगर हमने 100 रुपीज़ बैंक में डिपॉजिट किए तो हाउ बैंक विल राइट इट, और अगर हमने 100 रुपीज़ विड्रॉ किए मीन्स निकाले, हाउ दैट बैंक विल राइट इट. दिस इज द यूज ऑफ इंटीजर इन आवर डेली लाइफ. नाउ again come to Bela's building of fun. Bela is on, suppose we are at first floor, that is food corner, and we wanted to go books center, that is at second floor. That is at second floor. Our starting floor our starting floor is first floor. How much we have to movement means how much floors we have to go, and our target floor means where we have to go. We have to go to second floor, that is bookstore. Then what we will write? How much floors we will add? Plus 1. Plus 1. We started from first floor. We moved one floor up and we reached to second floor. This is the basis of, we can say, addition of the numbers. In the same way, suppose we are at fifth floor and we want to go at first floor down. Means our starting floor is plus 5 plus movement is equal to target floor. Our target floor is minus k 1, means first floor down or one floor below the ground floor. How much we have to move? Fifth floor, then fourth floor, then third floor, then second floor, then first floor, then ground floor, and then first floor, means 6. But as we are going down, so this sign will be minus. This sign will be minus. We will reach at the first floor down. Now, how we will represent negative numbers on number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Means as we go left to the 0, the value of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 means decreases. As we go right side, it goes increases. Means minus k2 is less than minus k1. Understand? Minus k3 is less than minus k2. Minus k4 is less than minus k3. We can see this concept by left also. How? Minus k first floor means first floor down, up, then second floor down, then third floor down, then fourth floor down. Now you understand, minus k4 is down, minus k4 is less than minus k3, minus k3 is less than minus k2, and minus k2 is less than minus k1. How we represent? How we represent less or greater numbers are. Means we have two numbers 2 and 3. 2 is less than 3. How we will represent? This is the sign of representation, or we can say this 3 is greater than 2. This is the symbol of comparing. This is the symbol of comparing. Means minus k 4 is less than minus k 3, or 0 is greater than minus k 2. So now we have learned how to compare the numbers. First question है, you start from floor plus 2. We are here, starting point, and press minus 3 in the left, and press minus 3 in the left. Movement is equal to target. We were at plus 2, means second floor at the in the left. Then we pressed minus k 3, means v comes minus k 3 floors down, means 2 minus k 3 is equal to minus k 1. Next है second, plus 1 plus 4. Evaluate these expressions. You may think of them as starting floor plus movement by referring to the building of the fun. Means this is our starting point and this is our movement, and we have to find out our target floor. 4 plus 1, 5. Means we are at the 5th floor of the building. Plus 4 minus 3 is equal to plus 1. Means we started from the first floor, we pressed minus 3 buttons and we reached at the first floor. Means we started from the first floor down, we pressed plus 1 button, and 1 plus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. We reached at ground floor. 0 plus 2. Value is plus 2. Means we started from ground floor, we reached at second floor. So this we can complete it. Next first question, figure it out. Compare the following numbers using the building of fun and fill the boxes with this or this. Minus k 2 box plus 5. Which number is large? We know that plus is always greater than minus, so this is the sign. Next is minus k 5 plus 4. This is greater. Minus k 5 minus k 3. We know that as we goes down from the 0, that value of the number decreases. So minus k 3 is greater than minus k 5. Plus 6 minus 6. Always plus number is greater than minus. 0 minus k 4. 0 is always greater than minus k 4. So mark the following floors of the building shown on the right. Means this is a number line where we have 0, first floor, second floor, third floor, minus 1, minus 2 means first floor down, second floor down, and third floor down. From the given question, you have to mark on this number line. and suppose we have to mark as third floor. So this is third floor. Mark as ground floor. So this is ground floor. So this we have done. Rest of the part of this unit we will do it in next video. Thank you.